be showing you how to adjust your post-op hinge knee brace after surgery. You want to start by making sure the condyles line up with your kneecap, and then you'll go ahead and fasten the quick clips to the other side of the brace. If you need to adjust your strap, there's two ways to do it. You can pull from the top and adjust this way, or if you're noticing excess strap in the back, you simply pull it away from the Velcro and pull a little bit tighter. The last strap you'll do is your assisting strap. You slip it through the top. It doesn't have to be done tight. It's just to help you lift your leg after surgery. Lastly, when it's time to start unlocking your brace, you'll simply push up on either side and you'll be able to bend your knee with the brace.